Today I want to share with you the unboxing of DSLR Canon M50 camera. This is a great camera, especially for beginners who want to purchase their first gear. It is quite affordable and pocket friendly, having in mind that it comes with great features for capturing amazing pictures and video footage. If you're interested in getting this camera, I'll put links below so you can be sure to get the correct camera. Also, if you are having trouble with getting a good sound for your video, I'll link below the Boya MY-B1 Lav mic. It's a great mic for beginners and even advanced YouTubers and podcasters. Now, before we get on with the unboxing of the DSLR Canon M50 camera, in a nutshell, this is what the kit comes with. 1. Canon EOS M50 mirrorless 24.1 megapixel digital camera. 2. 15 to 45mm lens. This is a kit lens, but kit lenses are not the best lenses, though they still get the job done. If you want to get a good lens, you will have to purchase another lens separate from the kit lens. I have linked below a great lens for you, and this goes for those who want to get this blurred background when shooting your videos. 3. It comes with 2 professional telephoto lenses. 4. A flashlight that you mount on the camera. 5. 50-inch photo or video tripod stand to mount the camera while recording. 6. A flexible tripod stand. 7. 64GB memory card and a USB memory card reader. 8. A case. 9. 3 filters. And 10. Ultra clear screen protectors. Plus other amazing and comparing accessory. Now that we know all that is in the package, let's do the actual unboxing of the DSLR camera that I bought from Amazon. If you are liking this content and for more of such, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. This is the tripod stand. This is the camera you see here. This is the camera, of course. This is the tripod stand, and then we've got this. So let's see what we've got. Let's start with this one. So it comes with this nice bag. So we'll get that bag. Going to look at that one by one. There's a thing. There's the beast. The beast is here. The beast. Canon EOS M50. There you have it. It's here. It's here, my people. It's here. So this is it. I'm going to unbox this and see what you have. And then the tripod stand. The tripod stand. There you have it. Okay, so let's see what we have one by one. All right, going to put this away. All right, so let's start with, what do we have here? We have this. Interesting, so let's see what we've got here. So, if you can see that, this is the camera again. So, get this. It's like some strap for holding the camera, I guess. Let's see what we have. Yeah, the strap for holding the camera. There you have it. You can put that away. Comes with the manual. There we got the manual. Everything inside the manual. Comes with that manual. It also comes with this. Let me put that on focus. So you can see that. You can see that. Then, this is even, wow, it's a small piece thing. There is the camera. It's a small, nice, crisp camera. There's smooth edges. Can hold it right there like that. That's how it is. There's the cam. a very simple small camera like that. Very simple, nice. We're going to also look at that. So I'm going to put this away. The battery charger. This is the battery charger we have. Battery charger. This is the battery charger. And then the lens. Brand new lens, Canon. Of course, it is the battery, I guess. That's the battery. Box is empty. Let's see the next. All right, so this is the box. So we've looked at the camera, the first package in the box. Let's go with the bag now and see what we've got in the bag. It's a filter kit. Oh, there's some filters. So we've got filters here. Okay. So, nice package. Thank you, Canon. So, these are the filters. Nice filters. So it comes with 1, 2, 3 filters. Plus something like a manual, how to use the filters. So that is going to go back inside its box. And then we have another lens. So we've got this other lens. Let's see what this lens is. So let's see. Nice package again. Thank you, Canon. Whoa, another amazing lens here. Look at that. Vivita lens. Now, like, you can see that kind of, my camera flips the spelling. Vivita lens. Okay. And then another lens, of course, is here. This is the angle lens, wide angle lens. So this is also inside here. The same. And then this comes with a holder. Oh, nice. Comes with this. The bag also has some type of a holder there. Amazing. The flashlight that comes with the valve. The camera comes with the flashlight. Let's see what's inside the flashlight. That is what you get inside. So that's the flashlight there. There's something inside again. Oh, and the holders for the flashlight are all in there. So you get all the holders. All the holders. What else have we got inside these? Some more holders here. Uh-oh. We've got a mem card reader. Just to give you a mem card reader there. And then we've got something like a filter holder. So that's it from this box. I'm going to close this. Okay. Finally, we have the tripod stand that comes with this. Let's see the tripod stand. Whoa, there you go. Tripod stand. See that? So it extends all that way. It can extend. You can extend all these. Well, so that's what we've got.
Thank you for watching. If you want to get the best sound quality for your videos, then watch this next video for the best mic in the market at a budget.